flexibility or plasticity. Okay. Then we are using catalyst to increase the rate of the reaction, right? Then we are also using so many other things like pigments to impart colors, fire retardants to retard from fire, antioxidants are added to avoid oxidation. Okay, and these things are added, and that mass, with that mass you are going to fabricate plastics. Okay, so every day you are using so many objects. Okay, for example, bucket, mug, pen, all those things are made up of plastics. Okay, so how they are fabricated? They are fabricated by two methods: compression molding and injection molding. So first we are going to see compression molding. Okay, so for this compression molding we are going to take two halves. Okay, so the top half has a projection, and the bottom half has a cavity. So this is bottom half, this is top half. Okay, so this has a cavity. In this cavity the molten plastic is filled. This is molten plastic. Plastic in the sense all these constituents which I said now are mixed together. They are heated to 100 to 200 degrees centigrade so that it becomes liquid. Okay, that molten plastic is taken in this cavity. So same shape there will be a projector. Okay, and there are two pins, guide pins. These are guide pins to get fixed into this. Okay, so here there will be a hole. So this is fixed on this. Understood? So pressure of around 500 kg per centimeter squared is given. Okay, low pressure is given so that the upper portion will sit on the smaller portion. Okay, so that this cavity is the shape of the plastic. Okay, so whatever shape you want, whether you want square, whether you want rectangle, or whatever may be the shape, that shape of the mold you have to take it as a cavity. Okay, so this will come and fix on this. So after fixing, how the picture will be, see like this will be. Okay. So both will join like this. So due to pressure, when the upper portion comes and sits on the lower portion, what will happen? The extra plastic material will come out. Okay, so due to pressure it will come out. Now whatever is the plastic which is here, it is cured. Curing. Okay, it is cured. Curing is done either by heating or by cooling. Okay, so after cooling it becomes an object. So you can open this mold and take the object out. Okay, so this is compression molding. Have you understood? So in this compression molding, what are all the objects that we can prepare? See, you can prepare buckets, mugs, so many plastic items. Okay, every day you are using in your home so many plastic items. Okay, all those are prepared, and using this method you can prepare both thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics. So both can be prepared by this method. Okay, whereas second method is injection molding. Second method is injection molding. All of you know what is injection, right? How the injection is shaped, all of you know. Okay, so injection molding, how it is done? It's another interesting method. In this method, only thermoplastics can be prepared. Okay, so minute objects can be prepared by this method. So you have a plunger. Okay. Then here you have a hopper through which the plastic, molten plastic is added. Okay, right? Here you have a nozzle, right? And here you have a mold. So this is thermostat. So because of this heat, what will happen? This plastic material which is added will become liquid. Will become liquid. So this plastic material will become liquid. After that, what you do? With the help of this plunger, you are injecting. You know how to inject, right? So you are giving pressure using this plunger. So what will happen? Through this nozzle, the plastic material will flash through this mold. Whatever mold you want, that shape you are giving her. Okay. So the plastic will go and flash, and a thin layer of nicely shaped plastic you will get. Okay. So after a few hours, after curing means what? Either cooling or heating depending upon the process. Okay. So after cooling, you can open this mold and you can take the object outside. Okay. So it will be very interesting to do this method. So many industries they are using this compression molding, injection molding, and yet another molding is there which is known as extrusion molding. What do you mean by extrusion? You know, extrusion means lengthening. Okay, there is no stopping. It goes on, goes on. Where have you seen such plastics? Okay, which keep on preparing. Keep on preparing means like cables. Okay, so many plastic cables you might have seen. So those cables are produced by extrusion molding. Okay, so it will have a pulley type. Okay, so it goes on preparing. Okay, so such method is also available, but mostly frequently used methods are compression molding and injection molding. Okay, so is it clear? Thank you.